Guys, welcome to another day. I think it's day 4 and we are in Cappadocia. And right now I'm going to a cafe where all of these guys are. I'm going to meet up, make some plans for this day, for today. And I'll just continue showing you guys around the place. Let's explore together. This place is too good. You have to see, guys. It's amazing. Guys, we are en route to Lake Tus, and it's like self-start. Sorry, stop-start efficiency. So we are going to Lake Tus. It's like 200 kilometers from our place, and to us, we have to go there, spend 1 hour max, and come back because we have an ATV ride booked at 5 p.m. It'll be like 2 hours ride, sunset basically. They'll show us like whole tour of rocks and stuff, and we'll be on ATVs. Each has their own ATV. We are like 7 people. Now we are only 4 of us going. Wasim, Miftah, and Zoeb, the bright guy. So yeah, I'll just update you when I reach there. Till then, enjoy the views. I'll record some shots on the road. Yeah, so. Guys, we reached the destination. So this is Lake Tus. Yeah, crazy. So we can actually walk on the water in this lake. I'll just show you when I close it. Just look at the views around it. That is the lake. These are the views. Cappadocia is insane.
Thanks to who?
Thanks to me, I have sorted all this itinerary for myself. Guys, look at the crowd. Look at the lot of cars. So guys, this is like a shopping center on the beach, and we have to enter through here to get to the beach. There's only one way. So we have to enter this shopping center, go through here and go outside to the beach. So yeah, there are like few, chocolates and few, souvenirs and few other shopping stuff, perfumes and stuff. Few rocks as well, the lights, Cappadocia rocks.
Not much.
See, so that's the building we entered to get to the beach, and here we go. We are outside. We exit the building. There are lots of crowd actually here too. And if you can see, it is so hot. It's boiling right now. And unfortunately, we put sunscreen only on the face and some of it on the hand, not the, neck and stuff. So there's this Turkish ice cream again. Turkish ice cream. And people are crashing into my camera. So I need to keep it in the front. It's huge actually. It goes from one corner to another corner, but all the people are right in the center. I don't know. I think because the depth is very low, hence they are all in the center, not the side. Guys, my biggest mistake is I wore Jordans to the beach because it's all salted. As you can see, this whole thing is salt. And that is a beach. So my shoes are about to get damaged and ruined big time. Hey Basim, can you show me salt? Take some salt there. As you can see guys, that is salt, sea salt. If you know, in India there's Ran of Ganj,
Run of Kutch.
Ran of Kutch is almost like the same. See, this whole thing is salt. Thank you. And if you look at this whole area is salt. So it's the specialty of this area. And the depth is so low of this lake that you can stand on it. You can get amazing pictures here. Hence the crowd. They're going and clicking pictures. Everyone. And with the white background, you get insane pictures. Insane Instagram pictures. So this is the position of my hand as I dipped it into that salt water. Now we have to go back, wash it and get on the way as our ATV ride is at 5. We can't miss that time. We have to be quick. So this is where you wash off everything because they get like sticky and white color. So see like this, it will stick to everything, literally everything you can see. So I washed off my camera, my glasses and myself, my shoes especially. Now it's good. Now back outside, back on the road to the ATV. So whenever you get petrol from any of the petrol pumps here, they'll come and clean the windshield because there are a lot of bugs. So look at the windshield, it's super clean right now and you can take brilliant photos right now. You have to. We have a camera.
Who has been taking
insane photos? I took some insane photos. Now it's your turn.
I didn't. Okay.
So I'm on the wheel right now. We are going back and we have to go for ATV as well.
Or else I'll put up some no copyright song.
No.
You won't be able to post it.
So my friend just went to pay. Bro, hope you enjoyed the view, guys. We enjoyed a lot, like stupid lot.
We are tanned and we are salty, not the emotionally salty. But
guys,
show them my pants. Show them my pants.
Actually, if you see the first vlog, you see how much brighter I am. Now see the amount of tan I got.
Let me do the honors and show this. Let's see if you can fall.
Bro, that's a lot of difference.
Cash
Undi.
entundi?
Sorry. We paid 5 lira per person to go and get ourselves washed up. But turns out the water that we washed up with was also salty water. Now our pants are more trashed. Our fingers.
Especially shoes.
Shoes. Oh,
I got Yeezys. I got Jordan ones.
I was going to wear this. I got this just to wear on the salt flats. But
Chicago lost and found.
Thank God I didn't. They are going to sit here. I'm going to go home, change up.
Whoa.
Then
a beautiful cab rolled up.
That's a boat or a boat? Yeah,
a beautiful car showed up.
Wasim
That's my
bhai,
friend.
Wasim bhai.
He's thinking I'm shooting him. Beautiful car. Bro, just imagine these roads in that car. I mean, it will be way wobbly,
It'll be like a dream, to be honest. No, it won't be that wobbly.
Because-
it'll be way better than this.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm tan. Don't. get in my face.
My friend went to pay. We are just waiting in the car.